Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of ergonomic elegance as we invite you to discover the latest trends in study chair designs. Our channel is curated collection of innovative ceiling solutions that seamlessly merge style with functionality. Redefine the modern studies or workspace from sleek and minimalist chairs to ergonomically designed marvels or video showcase a diverse range of options that prioritize comfort without compromising on aesthetic appeal. Explore the using of cutting-edge materials, adjustable features, and contemporary shapes that cater to evolving needs of the modern learner or professional. Discover how these study designs not only enhances postures and well-being but also contribute to a chic and organized study environment. Our insights cover a spectrum of style from classic and timeless to avant-garde, ensuring that there is a chair for every taste and space. Join us in unrevealing the secrets of creating a productive and stylish study nook with the latest trends in the study chair designs, from smart features to trendy upholstery. Our video guide you through the intricacies of selecting the perfect chair that complements your personal style and enhances your study experience. Let your study chair be a statement piece, reflecting your commitment to productivity and your appreciation of contemporary designs. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.